Struggling with tingling, numbness, or nerve pain? Before you reach for another pill, what if I told you one simple golden tea could help soothe your nerves, naturally? Hi there, and welcome back to Inner Bloom, where we bring you natural ways to stay healthy, especially after 40. Today, we're sharing an ancient remedy backed by modern science, turmeric tea, specifically designed to support your nerve health. As we age, our nerves can weaken due to inflammation, diabetes, stress, or even vitamin deficiencies. This may lead to burning or tingling sensations in hands or feet, numbness, and poor coordination. But don't worry, nutrition can play a huge role in supporting your nervous system. Turmeric, especially its active compound curcumin, has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Research shows curcumin may reduce nerve inflammation, protect against neurodegenerative diseases, and improve circulation and nerve function. Let's turn it into a soothing, delicious tea. Alright, let's talk about how to make this soothing turmeric tea. You'll need 1 cup of water, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, or you can use a 1-inch piece of fresh turmeric root, a pinch of black pepper to help your body absorb the curcumin, and, if you like, half a teaspoon of grated ginger for an extra anti-inflammatory boost. You can also add 1 teaspoon of raw honey for taste, and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil or ghee, which really helps with absorption. So first, in a saucepan, bring 1 cup of water to a gentle boil. Next, add the turmeric, black pepper, and ginger. Let it simmer on low heat for about 5 to 7 minutes. Then, go ahead and turn off the heat and add your coconut oil or ghee. Let it cool just a bit and then stir in the honey. Finally, pour it into a cup and enjoy it warm. For best results, try drinking this once a day, preferably after dinner. For the best results, it's important to stay hydrated and eat foods rich in B vitamins, like leafy greens and whole grains. Also, try to avoid smoking and limit alcohol as much as you can. If you want to take it a step further, consider adding magnesium or alpha-lipoic acid to your routine. Both are known to support nerve repair. If you're looking for a simple, natural way to care for your nerves, give this tea a try for the next 7 days. You might be surprised at how much calmer and clearer you feel. And hey, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips. Also, share this recipe with someone you care about. It could really make a difference for them too. To recap, turmeric tea can reduce inflammation, support nerve function, and help you feel better, 1 warm sip at a time. Thanks for watching, and remember, natural healing is always in your hands.